We got the new Oreo Dirt Pie Blizzard from Dairy Queen. I feel like it's supposed to be a little bit more chocolatey. You know, I'm not complaining, but I do wish there was more chocolate. But it's supposed to have Oreo cookie pieces, gummy worms, and fudge crumble inside. And that sounds amazing. You already know I love me my Oreo. And then you get some candy and some fudge. Could you go wrong? So let's get a scoop here. Let's try this bad boy out. Here we go. Got a gummy worm in there. Those Oreo pieces. That's pretty good. I'm not the biggest fan of candy, but it's a good mixture. 8.5 out of 10. Check it out.